Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be building Gabe Farrell's new second gen, I think it is. But he got a new truck, and it's actually like this truck, about blue, like this color. I'm gonna buy this. Let's see this real quick. It's about a brighter blue, about this color. Yeah, it looks good. First, I'm going to go to the suspension tuning. For the rear, I'm going to do a heavy-duty trophy truck. And then, where is it? No, I'm going to go with just heavy-duty I-beam, I guess. And now, I gotta go here. Let's do dually. And now, okay. Gotta go here. Now, let's quickly upgrade this before. There's a diesel, so I'm diesel that. Let's do e-brake. Now I'm gonna max this out. Max this out in the front. Now let's see. Think about. Here, I'm gonna do heavy duty this because you can't go really high with the travels height with the I-beam suspension. But I'm gonna increase the shock size to max. Another axis width in the front, about 0.4 in the rear, to about 0.6. And then stiffness about 17,000 in the front and the rear. And now, like, travel height and max out the travel. Well, that'll be about it. Now let's let's do 1.3 for the tire width, and then radius 1.2 in the front and the rear. Rim size 1.2. Okay, now let's go to customize this thing. Keep the stock bumper, dually fenders. It's a diesel. Wide mirrors. These are the best we can get to, the wide mirrors. Well, let's just throw a toolbox in there. White lights, and then it had that, I don't know, for dual exhaust in the rear. I'm gonna also throw on a winch. Okay, now tires. I'm gonna go with those tires. And the rims. Let's do, I think it's about, like, these are close rims. And you had, like, blackish rims, I think it was. Well, yeah, this looks good, guys. No, it's not the exact same model as his truck, but it's probably about, like, the closest we are gonna be getting to it, guys. Alright, let's test this thing out. We'll go to the desert for this time. careful, don't. Starting right here. That's not 70, 100. We hit just about 100. Well, that'll be about it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.